everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn about graduated filter in Lightroom CC. So here is the picture. This picture is fine, nothing wrong in this, but I feel the sky needs more detailing, and so with graduated filter we can bring the exposure down, we can change the sky color, we can bring down the temperature, we can increase the tint and everything. This involves simple steps. Just click on graduated filter and just drag it from the top, just bring down till you are okay with it, and then release the cursor. If you want to see the selected area, just click on this show selected mask overlay. All red areas are selected. Okay, I want to uncheck it so that I can see the adjustments that I make on this part of the photo. So let's bring down the temperature. It looks more blue now. So let me add little bit of tint. Okay, now it is perfect. So I will bring down the exposure and I will also bring down the highlights. Okay, let me add little bit of shadow, and I think this is fine. Make changes according to your picture. I think for me this is fine, and I will click on done. And yes, that's it guys. This is the small tip, but this is really helpful in any kind of photos. If you really want to make that perfect blend between highlights and shadows, this is really nice tool to have. And that's it from today. I hope this video will help you guys to create more beautiful pictures. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram. So thank you.